unim se enra President John Dramani Mahama enanu kwesiada enwumre be no nsia ena otu free Accra on an Emirates airline flight to Dubai. And Muamako Dubai, that I mean roughly from Ghana to Dubai, roughly 7-8 hours. Ubedi. Ain't President Mahama free Ghana enra kwesiada enwumre be no nsia no okodru Dubai time 6 a.m. and opanunsia Dubai time and okokodu here.
Alright, Abuja Nyamisha Bibi, I'm the Noguku artist. Aha, Ghana and Sem TV. But yourself, be subscribing to the channel. Never were doing Chereba, our comment section. Nyamisha Bibi, Abuja Obi, our Asempa FM. Or see, President John Dramani Mahama, to crime and Dran of a flight from Ghana, Echo Dubai. From there, and son out to me call baby or call no. And now stress need nyama baby was the president now for stress. And see, this is the time the NDC government should come out and apologize to Ghanaians and Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Because omu ni Nana Danko Akufo-Addo andini ye and intina ene omu to me can say oh, and Kabeya, yento private jet for my president. But because of my dream body, dia year at China now, they can't come out boldly and talk about it. It's in a president in a fasa TTM. Ebushafo, yenko share video number. Yebeto aso, Nyamisha Bibi.
The number one gentleman of the land, the president of the republic. Unim se enra President John Dramani Mahama enanu kwesiada enwumre be no nsia ena otu free Accra on an Emirates airline flight to Dubai. And Muamako Dubai, that I mean roughly from Ghana to Dubai, roughly 7-8 hours. Ubedi. Ain't President Mahama free Ghana enra kwesiada enwumre be no nsia no okodru Dubai time 6 a.m. and opanunsia Dubai time and okokodu here and opanunsia Dubai time 6 a.m. Do you know, sir, the president had to wait in Dubai. Now I was so chain with Dubai for 22 hours. 22 hours and I chain with Dubai just to catch connecting flight or they be call Tokyo, Japan. Ain't Odru 6 a.m. which is Monday and Dubai time 6 a.m. no. Otu free Dubai Tuesday ahomachi 2:40 a.m. from Dubai to Japan. And he waited in Dubai for 22 hours. 22 hours. The president of the Republic of Ghana on an official trip of 22 hours. From Dubai to Tokyo, Odi a 9-hour flight. In Odi 9 hours on the flight. Odru Tokyo conference now all konebeba so ewo Yokohama. Ain't from Tokyo to Yokohama. And also a 2 hours 30 minutes on train. And the president was in a train, public passenger train. Ena Odi free Tokyo Echo Yokohama 2.5 hours. The president of the republic. And all of the president has to go through all this stress because of neoma politics. And I think for me, that is the biggest takeout from Sa. Because Anya, why in heaven's name should our president go through the stress on an official visit? Because of free Japan, he is going to Singapore. No free Singapore assign Abba back to Ghana. And look at him going through all these stress again. But Sentinel anything time NDC ewo opposition. Na omo pre ape to me no in Simbia NDC for be ekekaye ever presidential travel so inti enne even when President Air call a long haul trip say I be ankonya a cute private jet be the betimi afa no ne entourage e de won wakwa direct near the one akọ. But look at the stress. Look at the stress. Look at the stress. For the president will wait in Dubai for 22 hours. 22 hours. And now,
all right, so for OBC, Kabeya, the NDC and John Dramani Mahama, intro ni dada on my opposition. They should come out and beg Ghanaians and apologize to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Because he has been in that same position now. You people, the NDC, poison the people. Mudi Sabu Kramana over America, your friend Kevin Taylor. No? Osipa Pawesu, Obia Onyeshi, Obia o sitting president. Abisha for Nyasem Ketwan, Mayan Kwaden Kwatia. Hopsin Adoye, Oka, fa. Asem some time now no or say oye juma o airport or say na nado too na wa face challenges papa mayenko dem kwati bra na yeba ye beto as
president nso ka so kwa commercial flight nka eye ben so disadvantages e wo mu no doso Akufo-Addo penso otu kwan British Airways failed no 3 times. Because that time I was in charge in Tibibia will beat him. First say obedru ya ne bag ama. The next day anseba.
Hey.
Second one, the same thing happened. And the third one, bags in the 3 days. 3 days
or no on my war.
Now how can President took the documents ne whatever sabe ebia ne sikaka krabi okita ode yayi ni nyina omo ho no modwa yesa ade na ma how can you do that enti ayade a e ha adwene aside that there were 2 occasions ese so mbebe lande be yes 8:30 there omo be drew 2 a.m.
It's emwa okay
because Kona woko no Ghana nti you are not going there on your own. Ghana nti na woko. It is a wa wo jeta obetuma aka say okay ye call US ye kitaye ye betimi the 8 hours
okay
adru hono ye program ye time say nti mba program mu ho ye da bia mo pa yi kura mo akwakofa ebia Emirates mo kwakosi Dubai ebia 2 hours mo asampa a whole lot.
Okay.
President here sound mind to run the country.
Okay.
All I will say is let us all come together.
Okay. All right, Abujafo. Until asem wena Hopsin Adoye kan. Enu na ABC. Na Hopsin Adoye se nya shekra no. MPP na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ama we dwuma pen. MPP ama we didi pen. Nti dena unim sanyama we nyina but as that time NDC for tu mfutu gu ni pani mo krom ha bra wo wa wo ye we say we security expert that time no unim sanyama we nyina why ye din why you say I say MPP no why ube mu no wanya she 10 pesos kra wanya at least one could you couldn't come out to defend this man. You were quiet until today. President for Frabano. And then you people want to tell the story different. You should be grateful for this NPP because before Uber joining NPP, now nobody knows you. Now why this? Now be anymore, bro. Why this? Nobody know you. But the MPP has given you the exposure. And you should be grateful for that. But one to me faster, you didn't even look at the beginning. I'm shots, you know. When to me who say, you know, but you only looking at the old Philly say, Uncle Yamo in the last round.